Okay, so this one is actually kind of like the pizza one. This is out of the 11th edition. I hope you can read it. There's a couple of different ways to look at it. You know, when it says at the rate of m meters per s seconds. So, you know, there's a couple of different ways to interpret that. So hopefully you can see this okay. That looks all right. I'm a little messy, but that's all right. So look, m meters is a distance, right? S seconds is a time. Well, now kind of that makes sense. Our rate is m over s. And in fact, on the day of the test, it would be okay to say, well, wait a minute. When this question uses the word rate, right, they're using two terms. They're not saying at a rate of kind of x meters per second. They're saying m meters per s seconds. So I'm going to somehow have to incorporate both terms, and sometimes the best way to do that is say, all right, wait, m is my distance, s is my time, oh, therefore that's my rate. Or you could just, on the day of the test, build it right into the rate. And then they're asking, how many meters does a cyclist travel in x minutes? Well, we were talking about seconds. For now, I know x minutes. But you don't have to worry about that yet. Look, x is a time. You know, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to deal with the question, but I know I can multiply across. If you can manipulate the grid, you have to do that. So this gives me mx over s. Hope you can read that, right? So that is his distance going for x minutes. But wait a minute, I know we're talking about seconds here, so I maybe might not feel comfortable about how to convert this. But look at your answer choices. Look, I know, right, this is my distance. There is only one answer choice that uses that form. I mean, we do have b here, but it can't be b. We know it can't be b, right? We have to incorporate a 60. You know, so on the test, a lot of the times, you're not going to have to know exactly how to incorporate the 60. They're going to want you to get to this form, and then they are going to want you to know, hey, that 60 is hanging out there. But there's only one answer that it could possibly be. All right, this is like the pizza question, a little bit easier, though. Hope this helps.